Yo, so what I don't know, say One Nation is Imara Nation Podcast. Is me and you're here with Negus Imara, the host, and my co-host.
For me, see my face and see my big belly off my waist, you know it's Slick Whiteline.
Slick Whiteline. If I bust a blank for Slick, you don't know the thing. Yo, I'm telling you this right now. My friend, a celebrity. You understand? You don't believe me?
Yeah.
You don't believe me? I'm showing our levels. I'm showing our levels right now. Cause I know if I want to do this for years and I want to reach nowhere, you know. I want to do this for years. So I'm showing what I go on at the place, I know.
She nah send it.
I send it, bro. Send it.
Just send it.
To the boy phone, man.
Watch ya.
Brother,
Yeah.
why are the people them rope? Same thing me a talk about. You even tell me say I catch a slow virus, brother.
Yeah.
We come to pan that bamboo, yeah. The slow virus mash him up.
Switch to Jamaica's
Nah,
fastest
I remember the
network.
man going
Your
there,
number. Visit the store today. Digicel. Better together.
Yo, I'm gonna tell you this right now. It's the energy, never lie.
Facts.
And the people them feel the energy and them they need that.
True.
Energy never lie. I'm gonna tell him this already. The first time we link for shoot content, I'm gonna tell the G. Say, brother, don't lose the energy there. See that energy there? It's real. Goosebump settings. If you watch like a show it and goosebumps come to your hand, goosebump setting. Because when you watch certain people, brother, you can tell say yo, certain man are force it. It don't look normal, it don't look natural.
Yeah.
How them man act in a real life or how him look on the camera. To me. And that right there so scream realness.
Yeah.
Realness.
Real.
Where you see yes sir or where you get yes sir?
Yeah.
When you see certain man act and certain man get joke, I'm like, man, this is weird. This is cringy. Like, all right. Not emotion, nothing the behind it. Listen, I tell you this right now. 90% are on a lame.
But I'm a shouter too, though.
Yeah, but shout with what?
Yeah, we are short and set.
We are short and say.
True.
Them man just short for no reason, bro.
Yeah.
Them sound like Danny from Wild Tansbury. You see me? It's what I'm saying? Like, yo, don't follow World Dog. World Dog, I said something behind the shouting. Don't follow World Dog. Someone on the lame. All on that. But as I say, we never beat nobody because we never beat MJ or we never beat Mackerel. Mackerel, they get a little beating still, but me still chop you up Mackerel. That's the word. That's me. You see me?
Yeah.
But yeah, man. But yeah. And even that, the digital commercial, and them did also do a TVJ interview.
Yeah.
How was that, bro?
I mean, it was a vibe in the Negus, you see me? Once you put in the work and once you do the right thing, the right set of people them are gonna see your work and the right set of people them are gonna reach out. You understand? Big up to Good Times Atlanta took you see me?
Yeah. Oh, that was what is a blog that or a magazine?
That was a magazine. We get featured in a magazine as well. So couple things, you see me?
What other accomplishment out there?
I mean, a crocus with a ruckus, brother. You see me? We just and the accomplishment is still there. Them still there in the pipe works. You see
Of
me?
course. I want it more secret.
Yeah, I can't say everything like couple music video. Remember, I got a big IACTN music video in the next, you know.
Yo,
So,
when I see the dog stay, you're the dog clean, the dog stay so. I say, yeah, Perry. That's right, there, sir.
yeah, and then we have couple more music video where them things they're gonna be crazy, like seriously. Some artists where Negus,
Yeah.
let me say, international artists. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, they think serious.
Yo,
Yeah.
I'm here for it.
Yeah.
They are look out.
Yeah, man.
One thing about me, well, I'm to this. I'm not even tell about myself. I'm my podcast. This, you don't know who me be. When you see some of them boy, you can't tell some of them boy them thing, you know. You see the jaw get ripped from them face as soon as you start telling them some fantastic news. You just see them face just get screw up and beating and the smile just start disappear off of them face. Them not rate you.
No, but if I can help, I'm still hungry here, so I can smell the same way, isn't it? I'm hungry.
And that's the thing. You have to always stay hungry. Just the other day, even today, me I tell the G them say, yo, it's been about a month and a half, 2 months now where I have no inspiration.
Yeah.
I just feel blah. I just feel my record couple video. One of the things I'm not record, but me a record.
Yeah.
And just when I watch it back, I say, what is this? Nah, bro. No life, no anything. You know, no facial expression. You just feel like me I do this just because I feel forced to put out content for keep current.
Yeah.
I'm watch it back and I say, yo, nah, this ain't it.
Yeah.
But you see, when you have people around you where in the same field, supportive, me I talk about Slick right now. I do a video yesterday, one Elephant Man video. I always have the idea. It was supposed to be Andy who was supposed to shot the video with me. But it just so happened that move on, go man. It just so happened that the dog did busy and go do a shoot and everything. I might say, yo, John, I need to put out some content. So just link Slick. And the G give me a power talk. I might say, yo, Jaja. I see a real talk, you know. I need to pull my socks up. Tie up my shoes lace.
Definitely.
We need people around me, friends and family where inspire.
Facts.
The little inspiration of the G give me. See the video there? The video gone. The video gone. So with this now, give me one tip.
Yeah.
For the people them, the upcoming comedian them, or even multiple tips. What would you tell a young comedian on the rise right now how to maneuver himself in the game?
All right, me that tell a young comedian say, you don't necessarily need nobody for boss, you know. Yeah, the thing gets so real now where you can just turn the camera by yourself and do your thing. And when you just start, it's not gonna be perfect.
Yes.
When me start, me did have a couple cringe video, like when you watch it back, you're like,
Yeah.
You see me? But after a while, when you keep on doing it over and over and over, then you will get it. You see what I'm saying? So, if you really love it, you see me, just continue to do your thing and you will get there.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
You don't have to wait till next year.
No.
Yeah.
The G, I don't know him I say this. Turn the camera upon yourself. Turn the camera upon yourself.
Yeah,
Get a youth.
Listen, I just say reach now, bro.
Yeah.
I just say reach now. So right now, wait there, we are eliminate the middleman. You see what I'm saying? That's something there right now. You see me?
Okay.
So we now have a problem with people who do 9 to 5. But what me I say is, over here, so once you get it right, you're good for life.
Facts.
Yes, straight up, you're good for life once you get it right. That is why NCSC, I got ends. That's NCSC, why you see so much vlogger out there now. You see me? You see people where used to shame so them live in a one room boardroom. Them turn the camera upon themselves in a them boardroom.
And that people want to see right now. Facts. Facts.
Alright, one of my favorite vlogs, I don't know if he's I know him response feed, and the white man him response it, but Moko Kitchen.
Yeah, man.
That is one of my favorite vlogs. You understand?
Brother, when a man a cook porridge and them thing there, aki and sausage,
easy, man.
there's everything.
Just easy. And right now, Moko have his own Airbnb. Moko has his own vehicle to transport tourists. You understand?
You have another youth spearfish in Jamaica too.
All right.
And if ever go dive and
Yeah, man, catch and cook. Catch and cook.
And if catch him and cook them right.
I gotta, you guys putting me onto something now. I gotta go check that out.
So not only just comedian, but if you can be a vlogger too. Vlog boy your everyday life. What you do every day.
Yeah.
Because as simple as you see, get a youth. Get a youth. If you feel like you're a crop every day, get up and rub out your hand miggle. Bill a grab a spliff and beg $20 buy Whistler, buy buy a rum special boom. Flag it every day. I'm swear to God.
Yeah.
You're gonna get content.
Facts. That's reality.
I swear to God, bro.
Yo, I always say this. Majority of the majority of the talent within a Jamaica buried in the garrison.
Of course.
Facts. Facts.
Majority of yeah. Oh no. We know that for sure.
And a lot of times when them get pushed forward, we already know
Links.
how go on.
But this is what I'm saying though. This is what I'm saying. But like how you said that, a lot of them buried in the garrison. But as more and tell you, see this?
Turn it by yourself.
This is a shovel. They go to
Ooh.
the blood clad self.
Ooh.
Do the right thing.
The talent buried in the garrison. Where you see that tool there with the G, sir? Or the shovel phone.
Yeah.
Get up, people. No for one star. From footballer to DJ.
Yeah.
To sports player, all basketball player down in the garrison.
What you mean?
Basketball is American sport.
Man down there can play golf, you know.
Of course.
Alright, good.
Tattoo artist
tattoo artists. They want a talent for in the garrison, brother.
All the DJ, they play the sound, man.
Yo, you have some man who can fling and you the way over one part of them fling and bust it. You know, is that skill that?
Of course.
You know why people turn that in sports?
Some of them girl, you know what's a very good skill too? Guess. No man. Them girl yeah, where where name again?
Wow.
Marvin. Them girl where Marvin a dance with them for join Jamaica gymnastics team.
Gymnastic, yeah, definitely.
I'm dead serious.
Definitely.
Them Jamaican girl we are dancing and go up and train them something. Them mama just join gymnastics.
Yeah.
Mama. Represent your country, mama.
Yeah, facts.
Part up the front on the camera when you reach a World Cup and them something. Them.
True.
You understand what I say? World Games. Wait, name? Olympics.
In other words, people take life serious.
Take it serious, man.
Whatever you wanna do, take it serious. Don't just do it. If you just do it sick. Whole heap of thing in it. Enough man a big artist. But guess what? Enough man better than Skilly Bang, better than where name over one part, where name over one part. You see me? Not better than Cartel, but but enough man bad, you see me?
Yeah.
But because them not have the right
Resource.
attitude, right attitude towards the thing. 'Cause remember your attitude determines your altitude,
Facts.
you know. You see me?
Facts.
So enough man not really have the right attitude.
Yeah.
So them thing they kinda make them stay stagnant over one place, over one part. You see me? And now elevate my family.
Word.
You feel me?
Discipline is a great thing too.
Very much.
Because who did that was it in the early 2000s or late 1990s when we did go World Cup one year and the coach that complained about the discipline after Jamaican football. Them I said the man them have no discipline. You see me? The man them a drink, the man them have sex, the man them, you see me?
I remember at that time Jamaica have one of the baddest side.
The baddest.
The baddest side.
Even till what would you say? The man them back then did better than the man them now, right? I agree.
Definitely.
By far.
Definitely.
But the man them, the reason why, and I think it was a Brazilian coach with the after.
Yeah. Really
Right?
similar or something like that. Yeah.
And the man say, yo, them man, we can't reach them.
Man,
No
tell coach,
discipline.
go suck them mother
Suck your
and a bag of
mother.
thing. Remember me a star.
Yeah.
Cause I fuck two little girl from around the road.
Discipline.
Joke.
You see, another thing too, if you don't have discipline, you're not gonna reach nowhere.
Facts.
What we are talking about earlier. The man say him can text Slick 3 o'clock in the morning and Slick respond. You wanna know why? Him discipline. He's working.
Yeah.
I got to get this out by tomorrow before 12 o'clock. I got to make sure this is done in the morning.
Right. I want when you wake up, you see my skit.
You know what I'm saying?
Me I had that time.
Discipline.
Facts.
And it all start, I think it's a Marine. Me see I give one speech. I'm gonna say discipline start with just making your bed in the morning.
Facts. Big facts. Big facts.
Just making your bed in the morning. That's yeah, Jaja. Yo, but just a few little tips for the upcoming comedian. You see me? Yo, I tell you this right now, especially in the Jamaican, entertainment industry. Learn for stand up by your own 2 foot. You wanna know why? You wanna know why I said that? Because don't pre me and Slick, or don't pre Dino and what is another brother name? Valdemore, and it's a very few Jamaicans that team up together.
True.
I said this right now. You look at King Batch. Everybody who in a theme group, they are extras if them not have a main part in the video. You will see them in the background of the video doing nothing.
And
Just
that
because.
that help them same way,
That help them same way. The best a Jamaican comedian, I see what they are. I when the 876 thing go on there when the whole man them there the one place one time. Before that, the man them never there link like that, brother.
So right now at this moment, you call for the youth them for link up.
Wow, the man them for link up because Jamaican comedy can be bigger than them man a thing, brother.
Yo, let me tell you the time I want to big up this youth. Able. Big up Able. Yeah, you go on good youth. Big up yourself, youth.
I gotta
You
go
see me?
in the Instagram, right?
Yeah,
I gotta go check him out. Able, big up yourself. I haven't seen your work, but Slick will show me your work.
Yeah, man. Big up Able.
Big up
From
Able.
over Greenwich Farm. You know the thing, got the whole Greenwich Farm. Big up on yourself.
Garrison. You see me? Learn to stand up on your own 2 feet. Learn to be okay with the word no.
Facts. Come get all heap of that too, All heap.
Yeah.
Enough.
As an adult, you're supposed to know how to take that and say, okay, all right.
Don't make it fling
going
it
on
down.
with life.
Don't make it fling it down.
Yeah. Because if you do, then you might lose that. You know, this I personally talk about myself. I never used to like hear no and them thing there. I feel some type of way and my feelings and them thing there. No. When me know how to maneuver myself, when time I go to ask certain people for the certain caliber them thing them go around me, it's like, okay then. Okay.
Which caliber you could never get from me?
Which caliber I could never get from you?
Yeah. If you ask me for a caliber, what would you never get from me?
No wig thing.
No wig.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Is it me? No wig thing.
And
I'm respect that.
And respect you for respect me.
Yeah.
Isn't me? Work with me if you know say alright, yo. Me and Slick can work, you know, but once me go wig, me I do that by myself and me with somebody else. I respect that.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
So
True.
So wherever a man draw the line, you can't
Yeah.
take that person out.
Nah.
Yeah.
So like, even say no,
And that's cool. Because I asked G, because me have an idea for the Uptown series. And the dog say, yo, brother, I'm not like that, brother. I'm not think about that. And I say, all right, Jano. But you really want him to do it? But there's other skits.
Yeah.
And there's other funnier skits that can be done. But him just don't want to do that one, yeah? Because, I don't know, we still filter. Say, oh, yeah, you're.
Wig him go. Jessica.
You see me? And the G say, yo, brother, I don't know about that. And I say, all right, brother, god damn. All right, fuck it. We do something else. Learn for take no. You see, once you learn for take no, that'll go build you even more.
Yeah.
To be a go-getter because you're not afraid of rejection anymore.
Fucks.
I'm gonna start to this China. I say, all of them youth there right now, I ask for collab with them in my younger days. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. I want to say it, but I'm not going to say it. It starts with a S and N with their mother. You understand? And that's some of my thing. There are some things there. Right now, the young comedian them.
Just go smile with your mother here, sir.
Smile with their mother. Listen, one thing, I said this before I end this. Young comedian,
Yeah.
learn to take criticism as well.
True.
And not everything is a fight out.
Yeah.
People are telling things to build yourself.
Big up macaroni. Yeah, go on.
Move your ego aside and learn.
Yeah.
Anything you want to share before we cut, Slick? Anything you want to promote? Anything at all, bro? You're my brother. Anything at all, brother. New projects, anything.
Big up my white line.
Big up White Line one more time. White Line. This episode is brought to you by White Line Fit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to take this time off to big up my mother.
Big up mums.
Big up my daughter.
Big up daughter.
Big up my father.
Big up daddy.
My brother.
Mm-hmm.
Cat and my dog. And my rat and my roach. And the whole works. Big up the whole out there. You know what I think?
Everybody.
Over standpipe over there. You know where badness go.
Where them can find you? Well, them already know. So you're popping up on the Instagram, the Slick Whiteline. You have over 100K followers right now. Yeah. Where else them can find you?
You know, you can find me at my house most of the time.
I say, yo, you can find me at my house most time. You see me? Don't come over there. You get bullet. Yeah.
Trouble. Remember we give Wally for trouble on the internet, so well protected, you see me? Yeah, but
yeah.
big man thing still. Instagram Slick_Whiteline. You see me? TikTok, cause I had something that don't with us. Slick_Whiteline. Facebook Slick Whiteline. YouTube Slick Whiteline. I don't know.
Yeah.
It works.
Slick Whiteline across the media
If them build a
platform.
new app, Slick Whiteline.
Slick Whiteline.
That
You
is
see
it.
me? And I don't know, this has been Negus Imara. You are now watching, or you were watching, the Imara Nation Podcast. This is the first episode. More give thanks to my brother for following out on the first episode. Brother, this means a lot. This right sir, is the beginning of something great.
No, I had to, bro. I had to.
Respect. This is the beginning of something great. This is something that I always wanted to do.
I don't mean to cut you. You know, you gave me the first collab, right?
Yeah.
You gave me the first collab.
Yeah.
When my face did bleach out, you remember that?
I never look so bad, bro.
Remember when my face is white and my body black? Did you remember? You remember?
You never so bad, brother.
You give me my first collab. We need to repost the collab there.
Yeah. Respect.
When I just started comedy like
Respect.
a month in.
Hey, the dog have one laugh when them all in belly. It's like, I'll never forget that blood clot laugh there.
You know what crazy?
What that?
Even as a birthday is the collab dog.
Yeah.
You know comedy man, you know.
Yeah.
I did one of them.
Oh, we do collab too, you know. Mm-hmm. Like two, we did
The
two.
soldier, the soldier one was the first one I see.
Yeah, bro, man, not even comedy man, but the dog say Ray was a fucking.
Yeah.
Dog say, yo, $1,000 hour, and I must say, yeah, man. Lace up and beer things ready for the road. You see me?
Yeah,
But yeah, man, yo, the thing is, all the people want to work. I prefer for work while you're here. For work remotely, you record your part. We over there, so I'm part, and me record my part. I'm not really too like that.
Yeah.
We
Well,
like
the energy.
Yeah, the energy they were there, so or we can feed off of each other energy and give the people them the best of it, the best of your abilities. Man, like that.
Yeah.
You see me? But you know, bro, it was a pleasure, brother. You see me? As I say, we get to find out who him was. Me gonna tell us that the dog would be a star.
Yeah.
The dog energy up, bro. Wait till me say, yo, brother. The energy there, brother.
Yeah.
This is what motherfuckers need. I need that energy right now. Right now, I'm taking water. I'm taking right now. I need it. You see me? I'm gonna say, yo, the G. As a year, okay, you know, iPhone a year, it start record. Up, live. Energy too. Make sure it's on the energy up in the video. Them.
Yeah.
You understand?
Drink some rum and boom. Rum and boom make you brave.
All right.
Yeah.
There you have it. This is Slick Whiteline, Negus Imara. This is the Imara Nation Podcast. We give thanks for tuning in. You don't know the thinger. Respect everybody. You don't know the thinger. You know, bless up yourself, Andy. Big up yourself, bro. You don't know, say, I'm up the camera. Everything Gucci. Yo, the quality is going to be sick. You don't know you have some elite equipment around. I say, yo, this is Negus Imara. You're watching the Imara Nation Podcast. Bang, boom!
Got it!